Hello. So, I received delivery of my Tesla Model 3 about 2 weeks ago, and I thought it would be terrific to install a charging station in my garage using the Tesla wall connector. Let me show you how I did mine. I repurposed a table board that I purchased from Ikea many years ago and used scraps 2x4s for mounting it on the wall. It works kind of very well for organizing the cable. Let me show you. Once you're done, undo it. Wrap it around again. And voila. And that's how I did mine. I thought you might like to get some idea how to organize the cable.